So we've got 3 easy modifications to do to my car today. So we've got some automatic boot struts from Emerald Struts. We've got some new fog light armour from that fog light guy. So I've currently got the race style on, but now I've got the Predator to put on too. And we've got a new Sunstrip. So because we are changing the Sunstrip, we need to get this old one off. So what I'm going to do is just basically pull up the weather strip and then just peel the Sunstrip off, and hopefully it comes off in one.
Job it.
Job's a good one. And then just to clean up the area, I'm going to use some waterless and microfiber and just clean up the area. But make sure you use Rach 10 at checkout on the waterless website. I'm going in with some sticky stuff remover just to get the extra little bits of residue off. Squeeze that for 5 to 7 minutes and then just wipe it off. So as you saw before, I had a matte black Sunstrip with full performance and oil slick, but we're just going to change it up slightly. So I've kept with the oil slick, so I've got the AirTech logo at the bottom of the car, and we've got the satin. This satin, isn't it? It's not matte. Yeah, so we've got a satin Sunstrip as well. So I've already cleaned, as you saw before, so let's get them on.
Where'd you get your Sunstrip from?
Oh, I got it from NM Designs UK, thanks Nick. And then I've just got some warm water and some washing up liquids in a squirty bottle. In a squirty bottle. And then we're just going to spray the window screen, spray the Sunstrip, and it'll make sure that the Sunstrip basically So we've just measured it up from the M to the T, obviously put a dot in the middle, lined it all up, measured it up. Now we're good to go. Got a bubble in it, have we? I think we've smashed it on this, you know.
Yeah, I'd say.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Not good.
There's just some watch the side skirt, you. There is just something about oil slick, isn't there?
And we should probably clean the windows there.
Yeah, obviously we'll clean the window, like just ignore all that part, but how good does the Sunstrip look? So my Sunstrip now matches me into colour. Sick. Okay, so the first modification is complete, that was the Sunstrip. Now moving on to modification number 2 is fog light armour. So like I mentioned before, I've already got the race style ones, so we're changing to the Predator ones. So to find out how to take the fog surrounds off, because that's the first thing that we need to do, is just click the link above, and that'll be the fog light upgrade. But I'm just going to quickly take the surround off, and then that'll give us access to the fog light. I don't know why it's going to take me so long. So as you can see, I've taken the fog surround off and also cleaned. So now I'm going to take the backen off the fog light armour, and I've got some sticky pads to put on. So sticky pads are on, I've just put 2 there, and then just line it up. Just keep pushing, just keep pushing, just keep pushing. Okay, and then modification number 3, is these automatic opening boot struts from Emerald Struts. So I'll just open it up and you get these struts. So obviously these replace the ones that are already in the boot. So it's a quick and easy install, takes about 5 minutes, 2 minutes each side, and obviously pop the boot open. But yeah, let's get these fitted. So first of all, we just need to remove these boot struts on either side. Obviously we're going to do one at a time because otherwise the boot will fall down. And you've got a little clip at the bottom and a little clip at the top. And yeah, we just need to take them off and then remove the boot struts, and it's simple as that, and then obviously just put the other ones back on. So I'm just going to get a trim tool with like a little fork on the end, and there's a little gap right there. And then just basically nudge it out. So there's one done, and then just move on to the top. And then same again on the top, just get the trim tool, push it between the gap and pull it out. And then once both them clips are out, it's just a case of pulling. Careful not to put the clip back in. Oh. Danny, can you come and hold my boot up please? Yeah, so what I told you not to do, I've just done so. And then just get your automatic boot struts and just remove the clips. So there's one here, so it's basically just swivel it round and take it out, and then it's the same on the bottom. Swivel it round like I was saying, and take it out. So the spring side goes on the top, push it in, and then the bottom, up more please. Yeah, and then the springs that we put to one side before go back in the holes that we took them out of. So there's one side complete, and we're going to move on to the next side. So if I take this off, hopefully the boot should keep itself up. Or if not, Danny, I'll need your help, okay? So both of the struts are on, so what I'm going to do is just close the boot, pop it open with the key, So you know all them times when you've got your keys in your hands and you've got no hand spare to actually lift the boot open? Well, now it's just a click of a button and the boot will open. So I highly recommend all the products that have been featured in today's video, and it is just 3 simple modifications to basically change the look and also the function of your car. Obviously the looks being the Sunstrip and the fog light armour, and the function being the boot struts. They have saved me a lot of hassle and my mum absolutely loves them, especially when we're going to the Aldi and stuff like that. But yeah, hope you've liked the video guys, and please stay tuned for more. I've got a few more videos coming and something drastically is changing, not drastically but something big is basically changing for the car, so stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe and all them other stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.